How to log in or sign in into Showmax account online. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to log into your Showmax account online. If you want to start watching your favorite shows and movies, just follow along with these easy steps. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to showmax.com. You can do this by typing showmax.com in the address bar and simply pressing enter. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of the page for the login button or the sign in button. Click on that button to proceed the login page. Now enter the email address that you used when signing up for your Showmax account in the email address field. Double check to make sure it's the correct email. Simply click on continue and next type in your password in the password field. Once you've entered your email and password, simply click on login again to sign into your account. And once logged in, you'll be taken to your Showmax homepage where you can browse and watch your favorite shows and movies. Simply click on any content you want to start watching.